Awesome. A really big welcome once again to this Facebook course. Now, I'm excited to go on this journey with you. I'm excited to take you from wherever you're at now to an expert at Facebook for your business or your brand. We're going to copy exactly what those big brands are doing and make sure we can bring that back to your business and brand, create a funnel on Facebook, and start having you making a lot of sales and selling a lot of your products and services to these new clients and customers that we're finding together. So before we do that, there's 3 things that are really, really important. So please don't skip this lecture. The first is I want to make sure that you're getting results from this because I put a lot of time and effort into this course for you. I want to make sure that you're getting the time and effort that I put in out on your side because you're also putting in your time to watch it. So make sure if you have any questions around your niche, around your type of business, around the level that you're at Facebook marketing at the moment, make sure you come over to the questions tab on Udemy. Go ahead and type in the title of your question and then go ahead and type in your actual question and I'll make sure I get back to you with a response within 24 to 48 hours. The second thing and most important thing is please help me out by leaving a 5-star review for this course. I have put a lot of time and effort into it. We sell many top-rated courses and this is no different. If for some reason you don't think this course is worth your 5-star rating, if you think at the moment it's worth a 3 or a 4, please don't leave that because that does hurt my course. And what I would want you to do is come over to the questions tab and tell me what I need to include in this course to take it to a 5-star rating for you. I'd be more than happy to do that because I'm here to serve you. I'm here to make sure you're getting results on Facebook. But if you are satisfied so far, come over to the review tab, click on that rating, type in your review right here. Whatever you like about this course, whatever you like about me, go ahead and type it in. Click the rating of 5 stars and click submit. The last thing is how you're going to get certified. To get certified in this course, you need to make sure you're taking 100% of the course, meaning every single lecture needs to be taken. And if you already know, because everyone's at different levels here, if you already know something that's being taught in the lecture, what you need to do is you need to make sure you're marking that lecture as complete so Udemy see that you've actually consumed that lecture even though you haven't watched it. And therefore, at the end of this course, you'll be able to get your certification, you'll be able to get the badge that you'll be able to put on your website and your resume, and you'll be officially Facebook certified by Social Fastland. So once again, thank you so much for being here. Remember to ask questions. Remember to leave me a kind review. If you don't think it's worth a 5-star review, pretty please reach out to me, tell me why, and I'll make it a 5-star course for you. I'm here to innovate. I'm here to keep adding to this course and keeping it up to date. It is going to be the best Facebook course you've ever seen, so I'm excited to jump in with you.